Assalamu alaikum students. Basically today is your lab 3. I'm going to describe you the complete dashboard, what is present in WordPress. Simply I have first of all started my XAMPP over here, Apache and MySQL, as we have discussed in our lab 2. Now we are going to start our web server. I have already opened up my localhost web WordPress website. Now I just want to enable my backend dashboard to edit this site more. So I will just write up here WP admin to visit the dashboard of this particular site. To visit the dashboard, first of all, I have to log in from here. The user was admin and the password was 1234, and then just log in. Alhamdulillah, our dashboard is open now. So first of all, I will explain this particular dashboard over here so that you can easily know what you will use in your further labs. First of all, this is a dashboard which contains home and updates, then posts, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, settings, and collapse menu. Collapse menu basically open and close your menu. Posts. There are different kind of posts, all posts, new posts, category, and tags. Post is basically used for the blog pages. If you have any kind of blog site, so you will use posts over there. As your new post will come apart, then your old post will go in bottom and your new post will come on the top of your pages. Add new post. Simply click over add new post and your this particular page will be opened up where you can edit your particular post over here. There are different kind of permissions what you can allow for your post. For example, you can add a different kind of title over here. Roller coaster. This is the title. Okay. Well, I have write down a line over here. We can simply change the alignment of this line wherever we want to. We can make this particular text bold or any kind of other functionality, whatever we want to perform over there. Add usable link, move, insert before, duplicate. This is a very simple blog post. Okay. In the post, basically you just add title, your some kind of description and an image. Normally simple posts are like this. Save as a draft, or you just want to publish it, or you just want to preview it. These are basically the tabs. Save draft, basically if you have any kind of post what you just don't want to publish right now, but you want to save over here, so that in previous times you just have to publish over there. You don't have to create the complete post. If you will publish over here, so it will ask us the visibility, private, password protected, or simple public. Simple public, normally all the posts normally in the blog are simple public view, and then click over publish. So our post is being updated. Post is published and view post. Now we are going to view our post. Our post is basically like this. Our post is uncategorized. Now we are going to discuss the categorized tag over here. Edit the category. or add category. For example, uncategorized, never leave any kind of your post, any kind of your product uncategorized. Because uncategorized will cause some kind of negative impact on your site whenever you will not refer anything into any category, then it will directly save back towards uncategorized. ठीक है, कोई भी कभी भी आप कोई भी पोस्ट बनाओ तो हमेशा उसको एक नेमिंग कर दो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, in name you can add the category. In our newspaper there are different blogs for each category, such as entertainment, such as market rates, market shares right now, and such as for example different kind of categories we have in every particular field. In our newspaper, if we were discussing right now, so such as science and education, such as new advancements, such as entertainment, such as banking. There are different sections over there, such as literature and all these things, where we can find some kind of stories and all these things. Every particular thing, whatever you are finding in a newspaper, it is particularly categorized. And also in the book, your each chapter is categorized. Basically, your each chapter contains different kind of instructions, and your each particular chapter is having a some kind of name, and under this name you have different kind of paragraphs or different kind of discussions. So these are basically categories. First of all, we can name this category such as rights. Slug is basically some kind of likewise it's a tag to search out anything quickly, and you can use small keywords or capital keywords. It depends on you. Normally try to use letters like first remain capital and other remain small. There is no parent category. There is another category horror show, but this is completely not related to that particular thing. Now we are just going to update it. Post have been updated, category is updated. Now in the post section there is tags. Tags are basically simple like tags as we have in our Facebook pages and all these things. So we can easily search out anything, whatever we want to do over there. Okay. In this particular delete, delete or apply. This particular tag where you want to implement and what you want to implement. For example, I'm going to write over here tag, and the slang is update new tag. Description is not given. Edit. Simple tag have been given over here. This is the media file basically. Media file is basically the library and add new. For example, in the funny type of any images or any type of informative images, whatever images you will use in your particular website, that will be saved over here in the media file. All media items, images, audios, videos, documents, these are basically separations if you want to have the particular documents over your website. These are particular dates. According to dates, if you will save your particular data, according to the months, you can find out your particular data. Bulk select means if you want to delete permanently, for example, more images, more than two images, so you can select bulkly. Bulk means set. This is basically the another way to show this particular picture. There are only two pictures right now, so that's why these are being just simple square. This is basically funny show, and that this is simple attachment. This is have not been used in any kind. We can see the funny show. This is our post where we have used funny show. So this is the simple heading, and then we have over here the image. In the funny show, we have different kind of description related to this particular post. For example, the Kapil Sharma show and all these description. You can add up any kind of description below the post image or above the post image. If we will publish over here, so our post will become published. Now we can view our post, and the category is right because we have selected category over there. We want to go to the dashboard, themes, widgets, and menu. There are different kind of customization. In the customization, you can edit your particular post names. For example, site identity, amusement park is the site identity, and tagline is the name of the entertainment. This is the tagline. Okay. In your assignment, you have to create a tagline. This is the tagline. Basically, this is being shown over here. Select any icon. For example, if you want to set any kind of icon over your website, so you will select over here. I think here I have some kind of image of, let's use this image, and then alter text what you want to preview if this particular image is not working. Now if you want to crop the image, so you can crop it, otherwise it will be shown like this. It will be shown over here like this have been updated over here. Okay, so this is the basically tagline, and this is the logo what you have to add over your tagline according to your top tagline icon basically. And then back, different kind of colors you can implement over here. Select background color, select header and footer color, if you have completely edited your changes, then you can simply publish it. So your post is basically updated now. These all things have been added to your particular site by using WordPress. WordPress have automatically created all these things over here. This is theme options. Different kind of theme options are here. Full text, summary. When we will discuss theme, inshallah, we will discuss theme option over there. Some of the options are remaining. I would like to explain this also. Cover template. If you want to change your cover template, so you can change it. Likewise, this is the complete template cover. Because we have already implemented some kind of background, so this is not working here so much. Background images, menu. Simple menus can be added over here. Right for kids, simple desktop horizontal menu, desktop extended menu, which kind of menu you want to use, foot menu, social menu, desktop horizontal menu, and then next. So you can add different kind of items into your menu. For example, home page have been created over here, sample page have been created over here. When I have flipped over these pages, so these pages have been used over here, edit automatically. I want to clear it, just home page, and then I want to add right page. Basically, my link have been created for this particular page. Now just I have to add in this particular page. For example, you can see the changes over here, home page and then right page. This menu have been created over here because we have selected desktop horizontal view. These are different kind of navigation labels, title attribute, CSS class, any kind of CSS you want to implement, so you can link over here. Widgets. Basically in widget, you can add different kind of widget in footer type. For example, search post, recent comments and search. This is in the footer one. So we are going to view now search, search box, okay, recent posts and recent comments. These are basically footer one and footer two. Archives, archives, sorry, categories and meta. Archives, category and meta. This is footer 2. If you want to add any kind of new image in footer 2, so you will just simple click add a widget and you will have different kind of widgets over here. You can use any of this. For example, you will add any kind of navigation menu, any page, calendar you want to add over here. So you just click over here. This is the just view. This not have been published right now. Look, a calendar have been added over here. Title, if you want to preview any title, calendar, calendar have been added over here, done, and then publish. Simple widget explanation, home page settings. Different home page settings can be done. If your site will be opened, your latest post should be shown or a static page should be shown. If your static page should be shown, then what page would you like to access first? Sample or rights? Simply, if you will select sample or rights, you have selected rights, and then which kind of post you want to show on that particular, you want to show this particular rights post, and then publish. Home page of the post should must be different. If you will select over here, a page will be posted. Sample page and the image page have been posted over here. CSS additional links can be provided over here. If you want to edit your particular site, so you can add CSS over here, back, and then close it. This have been done by the customized tab. Okay, over here we have a customized tab. Now we will go to the dashboard right now. But before going to the dashboard, I'm just going to give you simple overview of W. This particular W logo is showing about WordPress, wordpress.org, documentation, support, and feedback. These all words have been very clear that about us, about the WordPress will show you the version of the WordPress, which version you have been used. WordPress.org basically provide you the link between, if you will click over here, आप इसकी वेबसाइट के ऊपर चले जाओगे। ठीक है, सिंपल। Third one is documentation. You can open up the WordPress documentation. Fourth one is basically the forum where you can get support from any of the particular site. And fifth one is the feedback. That how you feel using WordPress, because WordPress is free. Okay, students. Now dashboard, themes, widgets, and menu. Widgets and menu, I have given a basic idea about it to you. Themes are basically our lab 4 topic. We will discuss it in a very great deep, inshallah. Now we are going to the dashboard. Media file have been discussed and posts have been discussed. Now we want to use pages. If you want to see the pages, first of all, we are going to visit the pages, all pages. We have only one page over here, which is right. Privacy policy and sample page have been added by WordPress automatically. Whenever you will install WordPress for the first time, these two pages will be added automatically. There are different kind of work actions you can work over that. You can edit it and then click. So this is basically the edit bulb. You can change its particular author, admin, parent is main page or rights, template is default template, cover template or full width. Comments allowed or not allowed. If there are no new comment on your particular page, you are allowing it to be accepted and to be displayed and to be saved in the database or not. It depends on you. Status is published, private, pending, or draft. Published and then update. So your page settings have been updated over here. Now if you want to edit the page, edit from here. This is basically your rights page, which is containing nothing right now, because we have created this particular page just on our menu tab. So this is not containing any kind of tab right now. You can add any kind of things over here. New page can be added easily. Add new page. You can click over here. You can add new page over here. Family rights. Simple, we have given a description over here. The right we have fun with our family members. Simple description have been given over here. Paragraph heading blocks what you want to show over here. This is the basically edit and select tab what you want to write over here. Okay. Simply publish the page. I'm creating just very simple page over here because I'm completely giving you that idea of the dashboard right now. This is our family rights page which have been published. This is header footer 1 and this is footer 2. We have edited calendar in footer 2. Now comments. In the comment section, basically you can use any kind of comment. You can provide permission to the comment or not. Unapproved and approved. If you will approve the comment, then your comment will be shown over your website. Otherwise, it will not be shown on your website. Appearance, different theme, customized widget, menu, background, theme editor. Different kind of appearances can be used over here. If you want to implement any kind of theme on your particular web, then you can simply click over the theme and your particular theme will be selected from here. For example, this particular theme, and then you will just click over to customize. Your theme will be implemented on your particular website. Now you can see a particular website has been changed for so far. Different kind of themes are present over here. Activate it, or basically this theme has been activated right now. If you will select any other theme, you have to activate this particular theme. You can install different kind of free WordPress themes. These are available basically. Now you can use your particular site. What are the changes on your site? Now these are the changes on your site. Previously, the theme was implemented was different, and now the theme have been implemented is different. But your pages are here, what you have added over here. Your footer is here, what you have added. But everything have different kind of way to express the complete data. So you have to select your theme according to your requirement. Customize we have discussed. Widgets we have discussed. Menu, header, theme editor basically we will discuss in lab 4 inshallah in detail. Plugins. Plugins basically these are small softwares to install in your particular website so that you can edit your website very quickly and you can have more functionality rather than you just create complete functionality of this particular uh, plugin. You just have to add the plugin over your system. Different kind of users can be viewed over here. Different profiles if you have how many users are working on the site. This can be seen. Different kind of tools are available over here. Import and export the site health, how your site is going, site personal data and erase personal data. These are some functions which are known as the tools. There are different settings in a particular site such as general setting, writing, reading, discussion, media files, permalinks and privacy. There comes the permalinks, what I have been shared to you when I have shared you some kind of data that you have to update these particular things on your particular website. General settings are basically very general. The site, the tagline, and the WordPress installation, the site URL. Simple information about your website have been given into the general setting. How you want to display the time, how you want to display the date. These are simple general settings. Writing settings are basically the writing settings in which you will discuss that how you want to display the particular data, how your data will be shown. This is writing setting. How much post you want to implement on the particular page, which server should request and which server should accept your request. Reading style. Reading settings basically these are also the permissions over there. These are going to handle the reading settings. How much read data will be available on your particular website, which particular page you want to implement, which particular page should contain how many blog posts, how many other things. In discussion, simple discussion is having provided, for example, default post settings, other comment settings, email and anything. These are simple discussion forums. Accept notification from the other blogs, accept notification from the blog, accept notification from the pupil, submit the comment to the new post. These are basically discussions on other people will interact with your particular blog or particular site. So these are allow and don't allow type of things, what type of permissions you want to give in a particular website. Media file we have discussed right now. Media is related to the library and thumbnail size, medium size and large size. For example, these are the media sizes of your images, how you want to organize your images in the particular site. Permalinks are basically the links whenever you will create any kind of post, the permalink will be provided to the particular post automatically. First, you have to create any kind of page. The particular page will have its particular link automatically. For example, if you want to create any kind of page, then you will have this kind of thing over here, such as plain. In plain, simple 1 to 3 will be added into your each particular data. Day and name, for example, your particular link will be created of the WordPress and then date and the name and name will be added over here. So these are simple kind of permalinks option given to you If you don't want to use any kind of permalink, so you will use custom permalink in structure, and then you can simple cut it out, or you can add post ID, post days, years, authors, category, anything you can add over here. So after this permalink selection, your further posts and pages will be saved according to this pattern. Your particular page selection options will be saved according to this particular pattern. Minutes, hour, days, month, days. This all depends on you, how you want to save your particular setting. I'm just going to add this particular post name is more better than the post ID, because post ID will make us little bit confused later on, but post name will be remain convenient for us. And then simply save changes. Privacy policy have been given to you, such as which kind of privacy you are using, use this page or not using page, which kind of new creation of the page is allowed or not. Simply, this was a brief intro about the particular menu on your site of WordPress. Now I'm going to explain a little bit about the particular more options of dashboard which we have contained over here, such as screen options. In screen options, you have your own choice what particular menus you want to save over your site dashboard, or you don't want to save over your dashboard. Welcome site you don't want to see, or you don't want to see. This is welcome site not, and this is welcome site is present. WordPress events not want to see and want to see. Activity want to see and want to see. For example, quick draft you don't want to see, you want to see. This depends on this. Okay. Screen options. Help option is basically dependent upon the navigation, layout, and content. Any kind of layout you are not able to understand that, then you will have simple kind of help instructions in this particular forum. If you don't understand this particular help forum, then you can go into the documentation of dashboard. These are different, particularly menus. Also, this is the welcome screen. Here you can see edit your front page, edit additional pages, add any kind of blog, view your site. These are actions which can be performed over here. Simply this particular information, customize your site. If you don't want to see simple, you will dismiss over here, and this particular forum will be lost it from here. You can change the location, and you can change the view of your particular blogs. You want to change it, so you can change over there. You can minimize and maximize your particular blog instructions. If you don't want to see the particular blog instructions, you can remove over here. These are basically your blog instructions. Simply you are going to drag over here. So a particular sites have been done right now like this. Activity at a glance, activity, WordPress, quick drafts. At a glance, it will be shown that how many posts you are containing right now, how many comments, how many pages. This is basically at a glance. WordPress events and news, which of the particular news have been submitted, which of the particular events have to be coming, upcoming events, meetups, word camps, anything that will be shown over here. Quick draft is basically if you want to save anything, you are right now, you have any kind of idea in your mind and you just want to save it. So you can save it right now over here. The rule book for the park. If you want to add this particular draft over here, means you will publish particularly document about this. But right now you just want to save this. Your draft has been saved. If you want to edit your particular draft, you just have to click over here. Your recent drafts will be shown over here. Okay. Site health, how your site is performing, how much your site is giving the health to the screen. You can simply view over here. Status info. This is a particularly site health. We were here. Site health. Okay. Simply, students, almost we have covered many of the articles over their present. This is the comment. Basically, if your site will have any kind of comment, it will be shown over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you will approve it, then it will be shown on your site. Otherwise, it will not be shown. New post media page and user. These are different kind of functionality which is provided on the new tab. I think that's enough for the today's lab. This is lab 3. Hope for the betterment. I will upload your lab task also. If you will have any kind of confusion, you can ask me on Telegram. Thank you so much. Take care and have a face.